going to make aloe vera gel detangler for a pre-poo. It's going to make my hair grow faster and be much shinier and healthier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. First, you need to cut off the end of the aloe vera and make sure the aloe vera is clean. And then we're going to cut it up in a couple other pieces. Then tilt it over its side and get ready to cut off the sharp sides. You don't want to hurt yourself. Be careful. Sorry, I skipped a piece. You're going to slice it in the middle like a sandwich, and we're going to scrape out that gel in the next step. Okay, your next step, you're going to need a bowl and a spoon. So you're going to cuff your hand, and we're going to get that spoon and just scrape all that good aloe vera gel right out of there. It doesn't have to be a nice clean scrape, but get as much as you can. Perfect. Your next step, you're going to just get something to stir it up and smash all the big clumps and pieces and get some type of water. And the aloe vera gel in the blender. And then we're going to start blending. Make for sure you don't blend it too much. You don't want it liquidy. I don't know what kind of blender you have, so I can't tell you how long to do it, but for me, I try to do less than a minute. Now we're going to siffler all the big chunks, and we just want that aloe vera gel to sink through. You can use a stocking or what I have, or they even have some kind of cloths you can use too. Whatever works best for you. But we're only going to use aloe vera, no other ingredients. Perfect. It came out great. It has nice gooey consistency because I didn't add too much water. Sometimes if you don't want to add water, you can add aloe vera juice too. So I put it in a jar because I like to keep it in the refrigerator if I'm not going to use it all. Alright, I'm just going to use this green apple aloe vera conditioner and just rinse my hair because I like to apply the aloe vera in my hair when it's actually wet or a little damp. I'm ready to apply this aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, this fresh aloe vera gel. I apply some of the aloe vera gel in my spray bottle. Then I part my hair in two pieces so it'll be easy to apply the aloe vera gel to each section. Make sure you apply it to your hair shaft, to the ends, to the roots. So I'm applying the aloe vera gel two ways. I'm spraying it in my hair and then I'm dipping my hand in the aloe vera gel also. And I make sure I detangle my ends. And it's just so easy to manage right now with this aloe vera in my hair. Because we drained it so well, you can leave this in your hair for longer than a week. But if you just put in your hair and you don't properly detangle your hair, you can actually build up more knots and do more damage to your hair. So be careful. Just make for sure you really drained out all the clumps out of the aloe vera and you really comb your hair, brush it properly and gentle. I just speeded up the process because I didn't want you guys to see the long ass video. So, you know, and be really gentle with your hair. You see I'm holding it so it won't pull out of my scalp and mess up and damage my follicles, so there's no tension to my scalp. So, and I brush it from the tip going up. Using this fresh aloe vera plant to my hair, I do feel a much difference. It is easier to deal with my hair It's a lot of slip. It feels amazing. I cannot wait to see how shiny it is. I already feel a difference with my ends. They were so dry and hard. So let me work on this other side. And this side, I'm actually gonna just dip my hair in the aloe vera bowl, as you guys are gonna see. Since aloe vera contains lots of vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and E, the use of it will actually promote the growth of new cells. Aloe vera gel will definitely repair your hair. Plus, it contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, which helps keep your hair on your head. Keep in mind, it doesn't matter how you apply it to your hair, as long as it gets into your hair and you detangle your hair if you have curly hair properly, so it won't get any worse. It won't get matted up, you know what I mean? So I'm using a spray bottle, I'm dipping my hand in it, I'm dipping my hair in the aloe vera and just coating it. It's actually a protection from the sun and from radiation. Aloe vera is just amazing. It can do no harm to your hair, only if you apply it in your hair and your hair is very highly detangled and you're not applying it properly, combing through your hair. This video is not being sponsored. I just really want everybody to improve their hair quality and join me in my hair journey, and let's get this long, healthy, shiny hair. So the aloe vera gel that we made and we're applying to our hair, you guys, I will tell you the truth, I cannot smell anything. To me, it's just smells, I just can't smell anything, okay? It is a bit messy, so I am wearing like a sports bra because it's like all over the place. It's very slippery. I have towels around me, so be careful of that. Just heads up, okay? I just love the twisties and the overall result. Now I'm going to apply this plastic grocery bag, maybe 2 of them on my head, and go to bed. And probably rinse this out in a day and a half or 2 days. I'm gonna leave it in for a while. Thanks for watching the whole video, you guys. I hope you got some great things out of it, because I know I did. My hair feels amazing right now, and I am not lying to you guys. Like, it was so dry. It feels so silky and shiny. I can't wait till it's dry. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my new videos coming out. And hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos. Thanks for watching, you guys, and here's some more videos you can check out. Let me know what you think. Please leave comments down below. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.